Hello and welcome back to the Audiohouse YouTube channel. My name is James, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about our system maintenance service. I'm also going to be talking about our seasonal startup and shutdown service for our seasonal clients. So what is our system maintenance service? This service is designed to keep your home technology system running at peak performance at all times. We recommend that our clients have us come out twice per year to service their system. During our system maintenance, a technician will thoroughly test your equipment, including Wi-Fi signal and speed. They'll check all of your equipment for firmware updates, test remote controls, they'll check IR emitters for proper placement, check wires for loose connections. They'll also clean your equipment for proper ventilation. They'll calibrate your speakers and sound system, and clean your surveillance camera lenses upon request. You may be wondering why you need our system maintenance service even if your home technology is running fine at the moment. When it comes to service and maintenance, smart home technology is much like your car. I'm willing to bet you take your car to a mechanic for an oil change and service every 5,000 miles or so. And you do this to maintain your car's performance and to catch potential problems before your car breaks down. Am I right? Your home technology system also needs occasional updates to maintain optimal performance. Also, much like a car, technology has a tendency to break at the most inopportune times, like the night of your dinner party or the Super Bowl. Having our system maintenance on a biannual basis can help prevent these untimely system failures before they happen. Now, I'm sure that you'll agree that your home technology system is quite the investment. And did you know that Florida has the densest lightning activity in the United States with an average of 223 strikes per square mile? And most of that lightning occurs in the summer months. If you're going out of town on vacation or heading north for the season, we highly recommend protecting your investment with our summer shutdown service. Many of our clients schedule this service the last day they are in town or shortly after they have departed. Our technicians will properly shut down and disconnect your system, helping to protect your equipment from our summer storms. When you're ready to return to your beautiful Florida home for the season, we offer our system startup service. Just simply give us a call 2 weeks prior to your arrival, and our technicians will return and reconnect and test your system prior to your arrival. We hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please subscribe. And if you'd like to schedule any of these maintenance services, please give us a call at 772-562-3767 or visit our website at theaudiohouse.com. Thank you.